Hello guys, today we're going to show you the traffic lights operation according to the VHDL code. As you all know, the traffic lights have three colors which are red, amber and green. In our operation we have four states A, B, C and D, whereby in state A, A1 is red, A2 amber, A3 green, B1 arrows, B2 green, B3 amber, B4 red, C1 red, C2 amber, C3 green, C4 and 5 are arrows, D1 red, D2 amber, D3 green and D4 are arrows. As you can see here from our operation, so when B2 and D3 are high, A1 and C1 are also high for 4 minutes, and that is when the ship is not there. And then in the next state, B3 and D2 are high while A1 and C1 are still high. Then when B4 and D1 are high, A3 and C1 and C3 are also high. A3 and C3 are high along with B4 and D1 being high while the ship is approaching the bridge. As the ship passes the bridge, A1 will be high until the ship passes the bridge, and A1 and C1 will be high with B1 and D4 being high. Then when B4 and D1 are high, C4 and C5 will be high. Like I said, when D4 and B1 are high, A1 and C1 will remain the same. Therefore, they will remain high since the ship is passing under the bridge. Then, when D2 and B3 are high, still A1 and C1 will be high. Then when B4 and D1 are high, C4 and C5 will be high. Then C2 becomes high while A1, B4, and D1 remains high. Then C1 becomes high. While A1 and C1 are high, B1 and D4 are now high. Then when B3 and D2 becomes high, A1 and C1 will also be high. Then later, A1, B4, C1, and D1 will be high. Then back to our normal operation, whereby the ship have passed. A1, A3 will be high, while C3 will also be high, with D1 being high and B4 being high. Then C2 and A2 are high for 2 minutes, while D1 and B4 are high. Then A1, C1, D1, and B4 are all high. And this brings us to the end of our operation, and it goes like that over and over again. Thank you.